ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरोन्वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातां सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च नमः। ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्ता स्वामीनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नामिने गौरत्विषे नमः। जय कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। Everyone raise your hands and say the Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna to everyone and welcome back to Krishna Chaitanyam channel. So, why did I say welcome back? Because we have been not describing about Bhagavad Gita 5 days to 6 days, 5 to 6 days, about approximately 10 days we are not describing about Bhagavad Gita. So we are now doing again the daily dose. We are doing again the Bhagavad Gita daily dose. So I think so everyone are very happy and healthy. Everyone are very excited to know about Bhagavad Gita and its values. I think I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. So okay. This is the agreement. I think so everyone said yes. Oh, some said no. Okay, we'll just adjust about it. So let us go with the chapters. So before we have been still there in the first chapter, 29th shloka. We completed 29 shlokas. And Arjuna, why did we displayed about this photo? Why is Arjuna putting his head over putting his hand over his head? Why? I think so. Some problems and issues happen. Yes, problems and issues it came. What issues came? दृष्ट्वेमां स्वजनं कृष्ण युत्सं समुपस्थिता सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपतुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं शंसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते. So now he'll say the real truth of it. So let us go with the recitation shlokas, and after that let us tell about the meaning of it, and after that let us explain about it. After that notifications are also there. Yeah, every day notifications should be there. So let us go. Bhagavad Gita 1.30. न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं ब्रह्मतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव. You can repeat after me. न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं ब्रह्मतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव. I am now unable to stand here any longer. I am forgetting myself and my mind is reeling. I can see only causes of misfortune. O Krishna, killer of the Kesi demon. Bhagavad Gita 1.31. न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनम् आहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च. You can repeat after me. न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च. I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsmen in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom, or happiness. So, we are gonna describe and we are gonna discuss about this both shlokas, Bhagavad Gita 1.30 and with Bhagavad Gita 1.31. So, now Bhagavad Gita 1.30 says, Nacha sakyom navastatum. Arjuna said, Nacha sakyom navastatum. I am now unable to stand here any longer. Brahmati vacha me mana. I am forgetting myself. My mind is totally reeling somewhere or the other. Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani keshava. I can see only causes of misfortune which are opposite to my expectations. O Krishna, Keshava, killer of the Kesi demon. Here it has been said by Arjuna. So now he starts speaking. Here Prabhupada mentions deeply now. Prabhupada mentions little bit deeper for a better understanding. So here now Arjuna, he is literally I'm now unable to stand here any longer. His nachasaknyam navastatum brahmati vacha me mana. I'm forgetting myself. Prabhupada Prabhupada describes about that particular effect. So here Prabhupada says, excessive attachment for material things puts a man in such a bewildering condition of existence. This Kurukshetra war, it is not between the relatives, the Kuru dynasty, the Kuru kingdom, and with the Pandavas. This is not the war between Kuru dynasty and the Pandavas dynasty. This is the war between Dharma and Adharma. And Arjuna, and what is representing? Arjuna is representing Dharma, the supreme truth, the truth, Satyam. Is this he's representing, and now he's thinking. He's thinking as that now the people who are there opposite, they are the relatives of me. It is very big papa to kill my relatives. So we take one example as if we are a circular inspector, CI. So in that, now a person who is your relative, who is your closest relative, who is your uncle, has been killed a person. He killed a person and he was caught red-handedly with evidence, and he got the shiksha with it. So when you saw him as one police, when your SI, the sub-inspector, the constables taking him and putting him into the jail, hitting him very very harder, how do you feel about it? You feel very like heartbreak. Oh man, my relative is opposite to me. Can't I help? You will certainly go there. Leave him. Even though he's a criminal, even though he killed a person, he's my relative. Leave him. Let him go. Do you say like that? No. Arjuna is the same as the circular inspector, and Arjuna is representing the most important thing, dharma, but is thinking that opposite there is no adharma but relatives. Srila Prabhupada describes it. Bhayam dvitiya bhiniveshata syat. In Bhagavatam, 11th skanda, 2nd chapter, 37th shloka. It's just a small sentence. Bhayam dvitiya bhiniveshata syat. See, if you're really attached into that materialistic existence, into that materialistic thing. See, if you, like, we can take an example. If you're really attached to the phone, okay, when a person came, like your wife or your mother, if if she will take that phone, what you will do? You will be crying, like you'll be shouting that give me my phone. I need to see. I need to watch this, that thing. I need to watch this thing. You are literally attached, getting attached to that materialistic attractions. And when that materialistic attractions go far away, we'll be just like Arjuna. I am unable now to stand here any longer. I cannot feel myself. Oh wife, mother, please give me phone. I will watch phone. I'm literally attached. People are literally attached to this, to that materialistic attraction of what they watch. Even it's a phone, even it's a chocolate, even it's something or the other from a baby, a toy also. So you get really attached. That at the end you'll be bhayam dvitiya biniveshata syat. You'll be bewildered with this really condition of existence. Such fearfulness and such loss of mental equilibrium. Here, Prabhupada describes about who are literally who are too affected by materialistic conditions. Arjuna is just the same. So, now, here, there's a cure between this. Every single medicine has a cure. Even though it is a jaundice, it has a cure. If you eat sugarcane juice, if you drink sugarcane juice, it's a cure. And even it is a big problem of what Arjuna got, it has a cure. Now, the materialistic things Krishna describes afterwards, that Dukhalayam Shashwatam. What are those? To whom is he saying that Dukhalayam Shashwatam? That Ashashwatam means it is not eternally existent. It will never be there. Someday, sometime, some muhurtam, it may go. Or you may go with it. You may go with outside it. And it is also it is, so that's why it is called as Dukhalayama Shashwatam. So now there's a cure between it. So wait for a minute. Here, Srila Prabhupada describes that Arjuna is showing ignorance of his real self in interest by Krishna's will. Yes, this is Krishna's plan. Although we described before, and Arjuna is showing ignorance. Arjuna is directly compassionating and eventually telling to Krishna that Nacha Satyam Navastatam Brahmati Memana Nimittani cha Pashyami Viparitani Keshava. He's describing that Vepatusha Sarire me Romahasya Jayate Gandhi Vamsam Chate Asta Twakcheva Paridahyate. Vishwevam Sasanam Krishna Yutsam Samupastitam Sidante Mamagatrani Mukam Chaparishushati. It is the direct compassion. Directly he was compassionate to the relatives who are representing adharma, and he is speaking these words, these shlokas, Bhagavad Gita 1.28, 29 and 30. So Arjuna is showing ignorance of his real self-interest by Krishna's real will. One's real self-interest lies in Vishnu or Krishna. The conditioned soul forgets this and therefore suffers material pains. Arjuna thought that his victory in the battle would only be a cause of lamentation for him. Everyone is interested in himself or in his own welfare. Arjuna is now he's literally interested, just like to that material attraction, the relatives. No one is interested in the Supreme Self. One's real self-interest lies in Vishnu or Krishna, then he will get cured by this disease. Here it is being said. So you change. It's very hard to prevent until you get a cure. It's very hard to prevent it. So what you're gonna do is that you just avoid it. Preventing it totally is very hard, but avoiding it partially is easy than before. What do you mean by avoiding it partially? That means you change the direction of materialistic attraction of what the relations of what Arjuna has been getting this. You change it from that to here to Vishnu or Krishna, to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to the Sarvakarana Karanam. You see, it is Dukhalayam Shashwatam. Krishna is Sukhalayam Shashwatam. He is always eternal. He is everywhere, anywhere. He is omnipresent. If you make attendance on him, he has 100% attendance. He is omnipresent. If you have that dependence on him, you will be just curing. You just get cured. And because of this particular thing, we can eventually bring that prema bhakti with Krishna. So let us go with Bhagavad Gita 1.31. न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनं mahave. That means I don't want to see this goodness. This is not even good. I don't want to see this. Na cha shreyonu pashyami. Hatva swajanam mahave can come from killing my own kinsmen in this battle. Nakankshe vijayam Krishna. I don't want any victory. Krishna, oh Krishna. Nacharajam sukanicha. I don't want any kingdom or I don't want any happiness because of something behind it. Materialistic attraction of his own kinsmen. Now, here there is the second reason where Srila Prabhupada describes. If you leave that first reason, also that's an important point. If you won't understand this, that you can understand this and you can understand that, both same, because both are important. So now here it has been said. Now Arjuna, he's a Kshatriya. That means a Kshatriya is one of the highest position in the Chaturvarnyam. So Arjuna is like that. Arjuna, before we saw such incident, he's just single-handedly defeating anyone. He's a true Kshatriya. And that Kshatriya has been going down now. Why? Because of that Bayam, getting Bayam Dvitiya Biniveshatasya, said in Bhagavad Gita, 11th canto. So now, here Srila Prabhupada describes about the karma, the karya, what Arjuna should do. Arjuna, representing the most important part, the dharma, with Krishna, he should do his work. He should leave all his materialistic attractions. He should leave every single part. He should leave all the sukh suvidhaye. He should leave every single thing. Here it has been said, and be a kshatriya and represent the dharma. That is the real purpose of a kshatriya. But what Arjuna has been said? Arjuna has no kingdom. Arjuna's sole opportunity for gaining a kingdom lies in fighting for his cousins and brothers and reclaiming the kingdom inherited from his father, which he does not like to do. But what after that, what he'll do then? Therefore, he considers himself fit to go to the forest to live a secluded life of frustration. Here we take one example of, we understand there is this independent freedom independence leader, freedom fighter. He is named Ram Prasad Bismil. He is a true independent leader. Even though he left his body at the younger age, at very young age, he said that at the times of Azadi, we always have to do, always have to do the karya. We always have to do the seva of the Matrubhumi, because we never get this. We never get this at the same time. He always thinks that being independence, the karya is nothing but the seva to Matrubhumi. He describes about it. At the young age, he has been left every single thing, his mother, his father, his every single sukh suvidhaye, every single comfort zoneness. He just left everything and tried to fight for the independence. That is the guna of what Ram Prasad Bismal should have. Just like Arjuna also should have that. Arjuna, being as a Kshatriya and representing the Dharma, he has to fight. So the main part is that come out from that darkness of ignorance and fight. Come out. Ram Prasad Bismil said, come out from that place. Come out from that place where you eat, sleep, eat, sleep, repeat, eat, sleep, repeat, and come for fighting for the azadi. Here, Arjuna is also should be like that. Arjuna, who is representing the dharma, should fight, and all the possibilities where we have been described before, everything is been predicted that Arjuna will win. So here it has been said like that. Beautiful, beautiful values where you can understand. Come out from the darkness of ignorance and fight. Fight physically, mentally, intellectually, something or the other way. Krishna will surely protect you. No doubt. Fight. Do not leave for any some or the any reason. Fight until you are trying until you leave your strategy, until you lose your stamina, until you wanted that win, until you wanted that dharma. You have to fight. Come out and fight. Krishna will surely protect you. So this is the values between 1.30 and 1.31, and he still describes 1.1.32, 1.33, 1.34, 1.35. The main reason about this. So we have been completed the both slokas, which are very very valuable. So with this we ended the 16th day, no, the 15th day of the Bhagavad Gita series. So let us go with the notifications. So every Sunday you have to, and you should, every Sunday you'll have that holidays. Every Sunday you'll have to, okay, playing everything is very important because Krishna also played. So we should also play. Krishna also played with so many with everyone. Krishna did Rasa Leelas. So that Krishna who is doing Rasa Leelas, that Krishna, that beautiful nectar, we can give, we can hear those from starting age of 1 month also, starting the age of 1 year of a small boy, you can hear this transcendental pastimes of Lord. From this 90-year-old person also, you can hear about it. Such a beautiful nectar of this. So every Sunday, enjoy and hear the beautiful pastimes of the Lord. Starting from 2nd February 2025 at Sri Krishna Chaitanyam channel. So this, we have been successfully completed 15 days, that means half a month of Bhagavad Gita, and we are near to complete the first chapter also. Everyone are excited and happy for, I think so, for about me. I'm thinking that everyone with Shraddha Dhanasya, if anyone hears this beautiful Shravanam, if anyone has that Shraddha of Shravanam, everyone are doing it about for me. I think so. For me, I think so. So this, we ended our chapter. We ended our video. So let us end with the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्त वृंद की जय।